Hey there, imagine having a creative partner who handles all the tedious post-production work so you can focus on the big ideas. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on how I transform a single long-form video into a solid week of social content without losing my mind. My secret weapon for this workflow is an AI tool called Vizard, which has completely changed how I handle video repurposing. The process starts simple. I shoot in high-quality 4K, perform some basic color correction in my main editing software, and then export a master file. Once that file hits Vizard, the AI instantly analyzes the entire transcript and begins indexing the content to find those hidden gems. The first major win is how the tool automatically identifies potential viral clips, saving me hours of tedious scrubbing. It pinpoints high-energy moments, punchlines, and important topic shifts, creating clips that are essentially ready to post. What used to consume my entire afternoon now takes just 10 or 20 minutes to review, tweak, and approve. Next up is the auto-schedule feature, which is an absolute lifesaver for maintaining a consistent social media presence. Instead of manually uploading every single post, I just set my desired cadence and Vizard queues everything up for me. It acts like a central hub for all my social channels, allowing me to manage captions, thumbnails, and publishing from one single screen. I can easily tailor the content for different platforms, like TikTok or LinkedIn, without having to start from scratch every time. Then there is the smart captioning tool, which produces incredibly accurate text that fits perfectly with any platform's style. It even suggests titles and descriptions based on the transcript, so I never have to stare at a blank box ever again. I also love the fine-tune control, where I can feed the AI specific guidance, like asking for 10 tips or funny sound bites. This keeps me in the driver's seat creatively, while the AI handles all that heavy lifting of finding the right moments. Now, you might be wondering how this stacks up against tools like Descript, which are great for transcript-first editing. While others focus on fixing filler words or eye correction, Vizard is purely built for output and scaling your content production. My actual workflow is basically export, upload, review, customize the clips, and let it handle the schedulings. One quick tip: doing a little basic color grading before you upload makes those generated clips look much more professional immediately. Another great feature is the bulk export capability, giving me MP4s with burned-in captions ready to go in seconds. Is it worth the subscription cost? If you consider the time saved and the consistency gained, it pays for itself very quickly. Of course, AI has its limits, so I always recommend double-checking the auto captions for any weird brand name spelling errors. Ultimately, Vizard solves the distribution headache by turning your long-form library into an engine for social growth. It's not trying to replace your creative vision, but rather it gives you a rocket boost so you can scale faster than ever. If you want to see exactly how I turn a 15-minute video into 10 viral clips, let me know in the comments. Thanks for hanging out, and I hope this helps you reclaim your time and create more consistently starting today.